Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Introduction. Plants need food for energy and growth. Green plants obtain food by the process of photosynthesis. Plants absorb atmospheric carbon dioxide and water and convert this into food, that is carbohydrates, in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present in chloroplast of the leaves. Process of photosynthesis. Surface of green leaves has small pores called stomata.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Carbon dioxide enters in the leaves through stomata. Roots absorb water and other material from soil and transport it to the leaves and other parts of the plants. Chlorophyll pigment absorbs sunlight. With this energy, water molecule is broken down into hydrogen and oxygen, releasing energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP. This energy is used for the reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. Thus, reaction of photosynthesis can be summarized as 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
It is not necessary that all these steps takes place at the same time. For example, in desert, plants absorb carbon dioxide during night and prepares an intermediate product. During day, when sunlight is available, this product is converted to carbohydrates. Site of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in chloroplasts. Since chloroplasts are only present in green plants, hence only green plants can produce food by photosynthesis.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Raw materials for photosynthesis. For the process of photosynthesis, plant need carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. Intake of other materials. With carbon dioxide and water, plants also need body building and regulating nutrients such as nitrogen, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, etc. These are obtained from the soil. Nitrogen, which is useful to synthesize proteins, is taken up in organic or inorganic form.
If you like the video, subscribe to Learn Fatafat and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.